2024 GMC Yukon. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Navigation, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, rain sensing wipers, power liftgate, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auto dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, universal garage door opener, power side view mirrors. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.